This app affairs show you
How to get back deleted reels on Instagram. So if you accidentally deleted a reels from your Instagram and now you want to restore the reel, here's how to do it. First of all, go to your Instagram profile page, and now I'm going to delete a reel from my profile. As you can see, I've successfully deleted the reel. And here's how to recover the deleted reel. From your Instagram profile page, tap on this menu icon. And here tap on your activity. And here tap on recently deleted. And select reels. And here you will find all of your recently deleted reels. And note one thing, that if you delete any reels from your profile, the reel will be stored in this recently deleted folder for 30 days. After 30 days, all of your deleted reels will be permanently deleted. Now just tap on the reel that you want to restore and tap on this three dot. Tap on restore. Tap on restore and the reel will be again added into your profile. So this is how we can get back our deleted reels on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.